a quest to be made that the nature's